Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to solve example 1, the one that you can see in the previous slide. So in this example we are going to classify the soil using Unified Soil Classification System ataupun dalam bentuk pendeknya USCS. Right, so we'll go straight away to the example 1. As you can see, percent passing through number 10 sieve is 100%. And then percent yang melepasi number 40 sieve is 80%. And percent passing through number 200 is 58%. Okay? And also given the liquid limit is 30 and plasticity index is 10. So liquid limit, plasticity index, plastic limit, semua tu yang kita belajar dalam session last week. So in this week session, awak boleh nampak kepentingan kita tahu all the values, liquid limit, plasticity index and plastic limit. Alright. So mesti ramai yang tertanya, kalau kita nak classify soil tu, kita nak berikan jawapan dalam bentuk apa? So you have to give jawapan dia macam ni. So you have to mention the group symbol. Apakah group symbol tanah tersebut, as well as the group name. What is the group name for that soil? And in order to do so, untuk membolehkan kita klasifikasikan tanah kita, we have to refer to several tables. Kita kena refer kepada beberapa table. But before we go to that table, I would like to explain a bit on this. Okay, so number 10 sieve. Number 10 sieve ni dia punya bukaan dia lebih besar daripada number 40 sieve and number 200 sieve, which means when the sieve number is small, the opening of the sieve is big. Okay, and when the number of the sieve is big, like this one, number 200, the opening, the diameter of the opening is small. Okay, I'll draw for you. Okay, so I draw this for you. Remember, this is not to scale, bukan ikut skala. This is number 10. So kalau you tengok opening dia besar sikit, opening di mana nanti bila awak masukkan soil, bila awak tuangkan soil ke dalam sieve ni, so tanah ni kat sini lah. Kalau mana yang partikel-partikel tanah yang lebih kecil daripada bukaan akan melepasi lah liang sieve ni. Okay, so if the particles are bigger, then dia akan melekat lah, akan berada di atas sieve ni. Okay, the particle cannot pass the sieve if it's big. And then yang ni pula number 40. Okay, ingat dia bukan to scale, saya tak ikut skala. Just want to show you what does these means. Okay, so number 10 dia punya opening dia besar, number 40 opening dia kecil, and then as the number gets bigger, for example 200, it will be very small. Okay, right, so next is next I think it's good if you guys can draw the sieve. Ini sieve okay, sieve. Okay, if you guys can draw the sieve from the side view, daripada pandangan sisi. So this is how we're gonna stack the sieve. Kita susun. So bukaan yang besar di atas, number 10, and then followed by number 40, and then number 200. Okay, the values are given for number 10. Percent passing number 10 is 100. Faham tak? Maksudnya, untuk shift number 10 ni, kalau kita tuang sampel tanah or soil, okay, kita tuang sampel tanah kita, tanah ni akan 100% melepasi shift number 10. Okay, and then tanah yang sama, sampel yang sama, 80% akan melepasi shift number 4, akan melalui liang-liang bukaan shift number 4, and then 58% akan melepasi shift number 200. Itu yang melepasi, yang passing. Okay, kalau kita nak cakap pasal yang retained, okay, yang tertahan, okay, berapa agak-agak? Okay, so kalau yang passing is 100%, 100% tanah ni melepasi shift number 10. So yang tinggal di atas shift number 10 berapa? 0 lah kan? Sorry, 0. Sebab dah 100% melepasi. So yang retained yang maksudnya tertahan di atas shift number 10 is kosong lah, 0%. Semua soil ni melepasi shift number 10. And then for shift number 40, 80% daripada soil ni, keseluruhan soil, melepasi shift number 40. So yang tinggal berapa? 20, right? So basically 100% minus 80, so to 20% yang akan tertinggal. So same goes to shift number 200. 58% akan melepasi shift number 200. Okay, this is pen. Okay, yang last kali, the final layer is pen, di mana dia tak ada bukaan. It's just a pen. Okay, so if 58% boleh melepasi 200, maksudnya yang akan tertahan on number 200 sieve is 42%. Betul? 100% minus 58. 100 minus 58 equals to 42%, which is this one. Right? Okay, so do this first. And then we can move to the first table for unified soil classification system. I think it is better for me to use pencil so that I can erase. Okay, so seperti yang awak nampak table ni, we have saya namakan dia first column, second column, third column, fourth column, and fifth column. So ada 5 column. Okay, so let's start. Let's first focus on here, the first column. So sekarang kita nak tahu tanah kita sama ada dalam kategori coarse grain soils or fine grain soil. So how to do so? We just we need to read the explanation underneath. So coarse grain soils, kita ada dekat sini ditulis, if more than 50% retain on number 200 sieve, it is coarse grain. If 50% or more passes number 200 sieve, it is fine grained. Okay, so berbalik kepada data kita tadi. Okay, let's look here. Okay, kita boleh tengok sini and this at the same time. Okay, let's check our data. Okay, it says here more than 50% retain on number 200. Okay, so how much we got here retain on number 200. So this is our number 200. Percent retain is 42, isn't it? 42 is lebih kecil daripada 50 kan? 50, where I got the 50 here. Okay, so therefore our soil is not this one. Sebab kalau kita nak soil kita coarse grain, this one needs to be more than 50%. So therefore our soil yang ni lah, fine grain soils. Okay, but let's just double check for confirmation, untuk confirm. It says here 50% or more passes number 200 sieve. Okay, let's go to the percent passing. Okay, number 200 sieve. So kita ada 58% passing. So this one is of course bigger than 50%. So therefore our soil is this one. Okay, tak habis lagi. Itu baru first column. And then let's move on to the second column. So now you don't have to bother about this anymore. Okay, dah tak payah tengok atas ni sebab kategori soil kita bukan di sini. Kategori kita di sini. So now we have to focus here. Is it the top one or the bottom one? Okay, as I said just now, you have to read the requirement. Okay, sekarang dia nak tengok value liquid limit, isn't it? So what is the value of our liquid limit again? It is, sorry because I have to move from one place to another. Okay, ni value liquid limit kita. It is 30. So our liquid limit is 30. So it is less than, ini simbol less than 50, right? Okay, 30 kurang daripada 50. So we are here. Okay, let's move on. Okay, for this one, instead of looking here, okay, we jump straight away here. Okay, we jump straight away to the fourth column. So now we want to look at the PI. Okay, dia nak tengok value PI pula, which is the plasticity index. So based on the given data, our PI is 10, right? So 10 is larger than 7, betul? Okay, therefore we are here. Okay, the first one. So we are not here. This is not us, since our PI is 10. It is not less than 4, but it is bigger than 7. So we are here. And actually we got the answer already for group symbol. Okay, so our group symbol is Cl. Mungkin some of you might wonder, what is this? PI larger than 7 and plots on or above A line, which is figure 4.3. We can use this to double check. Okay, so this table is table 5.2. So now let's go to figure 5.3 to double check. Right guys, so this is figure 5.3, which is the plasticity chart. Okay, jom kita tengok sama ada kita punya point, is it below A line or above A line? Mana A line? So this is the A line. This is the blue one, the A line. Okay, so liquid limit kita tadi is 30. and then kita punya plasticity index is 10. So kalau you tanya, if you plot 30 and 10, so this is our point. Okay, by looking at this, so our point is above the A line. Okay, ini bawah A line, ini atas A line. So our point is here. So it is above the A line. So kita dah double check lah dengan figure 5.3. Right, so if we go back to our table 5.2, and then the group symbol is CL. So here on your piece of paper, you write your group symbol is CL. So that's the answer. And so it's not over yet, because you have to also give the group name. So how to get this group name? Okay, so to get the group name, you have to refer to either figure 5.5, figure 5.6, or figure 5.4. Okay, sama ada untuk dapatkan group name. Okay, saya ulang. Untuk dapatkan group name, which is this one, you can refer to figure 5.4, 5.5, or 5.6, depending on your group symbol tadi yang you dapat. Okay, so we got group symbol is CL. So based on this figure, you have to refer to figure 5.5 because CL is over here. Okay, this is your CL. Now, okay, so can you see these two arrows? So now we want to know whether it is the first one, the top one, or the bottom one. Okay, so whether it is less than 30% plus number 200, or whether it is bigger than 30% plus number 200. What does this mean? This basically means the percent retained on number 200 sieve. You have to check percent retained on number 200 sieve. So we go back to our sketch here just now. I'm sorry. So if we go back here, percent retained on number 200 sieve is 42%, isn't it? So 42% is, of course, bigger than 30%, right? 42% is bigger than 30%. So therefore, we are here. It is bigger than 30%. So now let's move on to this section here. Okay, so now we want to know whether our soil tadi, is it sand bigger than gravel or sand smaller than gravel. How to calculate this? Actually, the information on how to calculate sand, how to know the gravel fraction or sand fraction, it is in one of the slides. Okay, I will show you, don't worry. Okay guys, so this is how to calculate the sand fraction and gravel fraction. Okay, so for sand fraction, percent retained on number 200 sieve minus percent retained on number 4 sieve. So percent retained on number 200 is, see, percent retained on number 200 sieve is 42. So we write here 42 minus percent retained on number 4 sieve. But hey, we don't have number 4 sieve. So what to do? Okay, jangan gelabah. Okay, as I said just now, the smaller the sieve number, the bigger the opening. So which means, okay, dalam bahasa Melayunya, semakin kecil number sieve ni, semakin besar bukaan dia. So therefore, sieve number 4 ni, okay, I will use red color. Okay, sieve number 4 akan berada di sini, right? Okay, this is sieve number 4. Okay, bukaan dia lagi besar. So, of course lah dia kena duduk atas. Kalau duduk bawah, it doesn't make sense. Okay. So, berapa persen tanah yang tertinggal di atas sieve number 4? Okay, so how? It's not given. The data is not given, but we can use our brain to think. Okay. Cara dia, awak tengok ni number 10, 100% tanah ni akan melepasi number 10 yang bukaan dia lebih kecil daripada number 4. So, kalau kita ada sieve number 4 dekat atas ni, dah tentulah, of course, all the soil will pass through number 4 sieve. Betul? So, dia akan sama. Percent passing is also 100. Okay, so percent retain is 0. Okay? If you don't understand, please let me know. Please personal message me. Okay? So, percent retain dekat sini on number 4 sieve is 0. Okay, so therefore sand is 42. Okay, untuk gravel, okay, why am I using red? Okay, for gravel, guys, is percent retained on number 4C. So, which equals to number 4C. Yang data tak ada, tapi kita boleh fikir tadi. Okay. Percent retained on number 4C is 0 lah. Tak ada soil yang tertahan di atas sieve number 4. Sebab semua melepasi sieve number 4. So, percent retained is 0. Okay. So, from here, we can see that sand, which is 42%, is of course bigger than gravel fraction, which is 0%. Okay, so when we go back to figure 5.5, just now, so we are here, isn't it? We are here. Okay, so we're not here. And then the next one, okay, we're gonna reach the end. Okay, the next one, our gravel, is it smaller than 15% or is it bigger than 15%? Okay, let's look back at our gravel. So gravel kita tadi berapa? Our gravel is 10%. So 10%, 0%. I'm sorry, 0% gravel. So it is less than 15% gravel. So therefore, finally, this is the answer for our group name. So therefore, our group name is sandy lean clay. So you write there sandy lean clay. Okay, so finally we have the complete answer For example 1, so group symbol is CL and the group name is Sandy Lynn Clay. All right, so we're done with example 1. I apologize if the quality of the video is not that good. I'm going to improve. I'll try my best to improve for the future videos. All right, so that's all, guys. Thank you for listening.